Gold IRA companies don't all have your best interest in mind. Some are just trying to push high commission products, and you won't know until it's too late. One quick way to tell if they are selling for the wrong reasons: they focus more on flashy bonuses than on your long term goals. Watch out for vague promises and aggressive sales tactics. That's usually a sign they are pushing a product, not a plan. Now, here's how you tell if a company is actually looking out for you. Ask yourself these questions as you go through their site or talk to a rep. Do they offer real education upfront, not just a sales call? Can they clearly explain how fees, spreads, and markups work? And will they guide you even if you're not ready to buy today? These are the signs of a company that puts your future ahead of their commission. If they dodge these questions or rush you to commit, that's a red flag. If you're thinking about a gold IRA, read this guide first. I've linked it in the description. The free Silver Scheme report gives you specific questions to ask so you don't get pressured into the wrong deal. It's completely free and it could save you from a sales trap that costs you thousands later. Click the link below to grab your copy of the free Silver Scheme report before you invest.